everybody. Tonight I have a quick recipe for you. I'm going to make some chicken and cranberry salad. So what I washed, chopped some fresh kale. So I'm just going to put it in this little platter. And then I have some rotisserie chicken that was already done from the store, and I just chopped it up a little bit. Just put that on top. And then we have cranberries. So I get the bag open. There we go. A little bit of cranberries. I thought one got away. And then I have some chopped walnuts. And you can toast these if you want. I always forget. Alright, and then I decided I had a little Parmesan cheese left over, so I always have to have cheese, so I'm going to use the Parmesan. Might be easier just to dump it, because there wasn't a whole lot left in the bag. So there we go, and then there we go. So I'm going to get my bowl, and what I'm going to do is you can use whatever dressing you want, and I have a little bit of this honey Dijon left over, but my husband might want something different, so I'm going to scoop out a little bit from my bowl and try it with this salad dressing. Go. Needed something light and healthy. I think this is it. Right, I got a cranberry. I need a walnut. Oh, there we go. Okay, got a little bit of everything. Okay. No, very good. Quick, healthy. You should try it.